My name is Armando Guyton, Park Ranger with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers at Cat Lake, and today I'm going to show you what I carry in my truck while I'm on patrol. So, I carry multiple sizes of life jackets for our life jacket loaner stations that you can go if you forgot your life jacket or need a life jacket to maintain your safety on water. I also carry a bag with medical equipment just in case there's any medical emergency that I may need to respond to. I carry a pair of binoculars to help me see areas that I may not be able to reach on foot or if I'm able. Carry a personal and inflatable life jacket that I may use if I need to go out on the water. Flashlight so I can see at night. A water bottle to stay hydrated. Title 36 pamphlets to help inform the public of our list regulations. Water safety items that help spread our water safety method. Extra personal protection equipment. A throw bag, just in case there's somebody who may need public rescue. A high-vis vest in case I need to do work on the side of the vehicle.